What's up, you guys? Coach Jonathan back here, and we're in today with On the Ground by Rosé. The movements that we're going to be working on are the animal flow sequences for the beast side kick through. And remember, before we get started, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to get more people moving and enjoying these songs. Let's go. We're starting things off with 6 beast half switches. Let's get it started. After these 6, we're into our beast side kick through. Make sure we're lengthening, making yourself as long as possible. Nice long lines like a dancer. 4 reps of these. We're building things up. When the drop comes, we're coming in for 16 of our beast half switch. So the same movement as the first one, but quick. 16, let's go. Nice. Finish things strong here. And then we're gonna get into our loaded beast, going into a downward dog to an upward dog sequence. Let's get ready. Loaded beast. Downward dog. Upward dog. Float. Back up to the downward dog and load it. Nice. Good stuff. Let's get ready. Shift back into your beast position. And we're getting ready for our kick throughs again. So 4 kick throughs. Let's go. Just like the first time we built this up, slow kick throughs. We're building things up to our 16 quick half switches again. Let's make it explosive. You guys know what's coming up. Let's go. 16, keep the abs tight. Rotate. Just like before, we're finishing things off strong, and then we're coming back in with our loaded beast to downward dog. Come back in. Here we go. Load. Downward dog. Upward dog. Downward dog. And loaded. Reset. Get ready. We finish off our workout today with another 16 beast half switches. You guys got this. Build it. Let's go. Alright, you guys, hope you enjoyed that one. Animal flow sequencing, the beast side kick through with Rosé's On the Ground. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll see you guys back here on the next one. Peace!